Is it empty or full of water, do you know?
Full of water.
Oh, okay.
Where y'all at? Oh, okay. Hell yeah. We on a little date night or something? What is that? It's like a, Okay, that's right. That's cool. Hell yeah. Into Mexico. I'm getting the dog tomorrow. Oh, okay. Where at? Dago? Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna ask you for the DV about a bag. I don't know what we gotta do to get a table. My girl said she think you gotta call F6 maybe at night or 2 before and reserve it. To reserve your own section type shit. I think my sister, and I bought 10 and my sister got 4. Hopefully, bros is kind of late, you know. You got it back. Hopefully, it's kind of late. Y'all can get a hotel when y'all come or not? I said, y'all gonna stay down here when y'all come, or y'all going right back after? It's gonna be old. You're getting older, guy. You're gonna be the older guy again. And I found Layla. I know. Just don't hit 30 too soon. Hey, I found Layla at home. She's gone. Grandma was content with it, bro. Some lady, she does real estate. She owns property in Bonita and Julian. Super big old house, and she has like retired pit bulls, basically. She got them all neutered up, and they came from like rescue centers and shit. And she just loves dogs. She keep all her dogs sleep in the room with her. Big old 2-story house. So, gave her Layla for $200. Oh my God. On the guys. No cap. guy cannot believe it, bro. You know how long she's been in the family, bro? You know, Layla's been here, like, bro, the lady's sending me pictures and videos of her already in the house, on the couch.
Alright, I think we're good.
We're good?
Yeah. 45 minutes, maybe an hour.
2 hours, and we should be good.
Yeah, it's 50 gallons, it's cold, so gotta run and they that long.
So it's on, huh?
Yeah, it's on. You can see the lights blinking. You can hear it. You see the fire. You can kind of see it in the glass.
Yep, you can see that too.
Yeah, it's burning. It came up with a code 7, which says the valve is bad. When I've worked on a couple of Dave's water heaters, right? He calls me, and I've just been changing the cover, and it seems to take care of it. So I don't know if maybe this thing's got some kind of glitch or who knows, right?
Okay, yeah.
So if it goes out on you again, I mean, it could happen, right?
Yeah.
It just could. It could be a bad valve. So the valve is like this part, right? The valve is it actually turns the gas on and off, right?
Yep.
Like that.
Okay.
So if that's bad, then I can come out and change that. But
okay.
That's why I'm kind of hanging out to see if it throws another code 7 again.
All right. Yeah. No
but
problem.
it shouldn't. Just so you know, if you get a chance, you should probably change this gas line. This is like for a dryer.
Okay.
So it's the volume. You want to increase the volume, right?
Yeah, sure.
So you want something closer to something closer to this size.
Okay.
Just because it's 50 gallons.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean,
so
I know.
Change that gas line.
When you get around to it, I mean, you already have the adapter right here.
Okay.
So you just maybe need a longer line. This might even reach, you know.
Yep.
That looks like it reaches. So.
Yeah.
And I think you can see how it's got threads on the inside.
Yep.
So you can go right over the outside of this. It'll thread right on there.
Okay.
And just tighten it down, and then you just need another one over here.
Another one.
So you can, I mean, you can either pick one up or you can change this over.
All right.
This thing really isn't even doing you any good anyway. It's installed wrong.
Okay.
So it's just something that's left over. But if you have another one of these little adapters lying around,
okay.
Or you can go a bigger size too if you have that. Yeah. You know, sometimes people just have stuff. So. Anyway, Dave said he left his pipe wrench here.
Oh, yeah,
you think this is it?
Yep. So the function of the actual water heater itself, even with that line, that gas line being what it is still functioning? I
mean, it's functioning now, so it should. I've seen them choke out on a small, especially 50 gallons.
Okay.
Usually when it competes with something. So like you're running your dryer, right? And then let's see if they're teed in on the same line. They might not even be on the same line, so you'll probably be all right. Your dryer. Oh wait, that's your washing machine. So you don't even have. So your dryer's right here.
Yep.
So yeah, so they're on the same line. You got like I don't know. Is that an inch? That might be an inch or 3/4. I can't tell the size. But if you run them both at the same time, especially you do laundry, right?
Yes, sir.
You wash it hot. So the water heater kicks in to heat the water that you just used. Yeah. You pull your laundry out, you throw it in the dryer, and now they're both competing for gas. That's when you might see it start to behave that way. That's usually when I see it. Sorry about the light.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Yeah, it's blinding. But it looks like it's good.
Okay.
So we'll just roll with that. But that's usually what I've been doing is.